In this video, I am going to be demonstrating how to grow Chinese chestnut, sometimes called Thai chestnut or phoenix eye fruit, from seed. This variety is unusual because most chestnut seeds need to be stratified before germinating, but these trees grow in the tropics, and the seeds do not need to be kept in cold storage to bring them out of hibernation. The seeds can be purchased online, or if you're lucky, you can harvest them from a local fruiting tree. The outer peels are a beautiful bright red. There were 3 seeds in each pod that I harvested. First, remove the outer shell. I found you can use a knife or your fingernails. They come off quite easily. Next, soak the rather sticky seeds from 12 to 24 hours in room temperature water. These are large seeds, and I suggest you plant 1 seed per pot, though I am placing all seeds in 1 container for convenience of this video. Place the seeds horizontally on the soil and cover with about 3/4 of an inch, about 2 centimeters of soil. Keep the container in indirect light and above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 22 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil moist but not saturated. I used regular potting soil, and any well-draining soil should be okay. Here they are after 2 weeks. 2 of the 4 seeds have already germinated. A great start. It's now been 3 weeks, and the first 2 seedlings are growing really fast and have beautiful, bright, shiny leaves. And it looks like another seed has sprouted too. That would be 3 out of the 4 seeds germinated, a high success rate. It's been 4 weeks now, and the 3 seedlings are looking really nice. Big, beautiful, shiny leaves. I found Chinese chestnut seeds easy to germinate using this method, and not having to stratify them made it even easier. Please tick that like button, be sure and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next great gardening video.